Hello friends, hope you are doing well. So in this video I will show you how you can configure your Boya microphone with latest Android smartphone. Because latest Android smartphone is not allowing you to configure the external microphone with the default camera app. To overcome this issue, you have to download this Open Camera app from Play Store. It's completely free. And let's see how you can configure your Boya microphone inside this app. So just you need to open the app and you need to go to settings, and then you need to go to video settings. Further, you need to click on this audio source. After clicking on it, you will get these options. By default it will be on camcorder, so you have to change it from camcorder to external mic. Once you are done with the external mic, you can just connect your Boya microphone with your smartphone and try recording a video, and definitely you will get it recorded. In case your Boya microphone is still not recording the audio, then you have to go to the same location, and at the same place you can just select this option, default audio source. And if default audio source did not work for your phone, then you can select optimize for voice recognition. Most of the time external mic will work for you. Definitely this is going to work for your Boya mic and of course any external mic. So that's it in this video. Hope you liked the video. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel for the latest update. See you in the next video. Bye bye.